I'm going to show you the game called the tadpole game. So I've put a bit of a theme to this. So what we're going to do, just pop the fluff ball in the middle of the nylon square, give it a little tie. Somebody can do that for you. And there's your little tadpole. Great for catching, you've got areas to catch, great colours. Again, the fluff ball nice and light and nice and slow. So it's nice to catch, clapping the hands, squashing the tadpole. If you miss it, you've got the tail there. You could do this sitting down or standing up. I'm going to bring in some targets. These are my little ponds. So I'm just going to bring them close to start with. I'm just going to drop the tadpole into the pond. If you find that easy, you might want to move it a little bit further away. I'm getting good at this. And if you're finding it difficult, you just might want to just drop it onto any sort of target. Falls off, don't worry about it. Go to the newspaper and then it falls nicely onto the newspaper. I'm going to bring in the net that's in your bag and the tap and swing. This is lovely, working on your own, working with your partner. Again, throwing the tadpole low to high. You can move further back, low to high, or eye to sky, going down to the fishing net. So that's nice, just seeing the flight effect. I'm going to bring Lisa in now. She's going to hold the fishing net. Okay, and then move that to one side. And she's just going to vary the height with the tadpole. Ooh, up there, okay. So again, you can do it further back. Watch the flight, the nice colour of the yellow going in to the net. What about really high, Lisa? Or, I don't know if it's in the camera. Brilliant. And swap over, so you have a go at catching as well. So holding it out in front. We did it, we did it. I'm going to show you the pond skater. I love this. So Lisa's going to throw the tadpole and I've got to trap it so it doesn't go past me. Are you ready? Throw this. Yes, scoop it up and then I throw it back to Lisa. And again, I trap it. You can vary the ball. So Lisa's got there the bell ball, so you've got some nice audio there. I can listen to the ball coming along. She might want to throw it in the air with a little bit of a bounce. Oh, I trapped it! And then another one you can do is the spiky ball. So you bounce it like a frog. Here comes the frog. Yay! So that's called the pond skater. So Lisa's got one where you can use the tap hand and you can do it, trapping it and squashing. Poor frog. Okay, I had a bit of a bounce. Oh, she even caught the frog. That's a nice one. So that's a great game to play, the pond skater. You can do it sitting down or standing up. So this one is called the tap it into the net. So I'm going to stand up now. So she's going to bring your tap hand, Lisa, and she's going to tap it into the net. Are you ready? Ooh, quite a difficult one because I've got to hold the net and catch it. But Lisa might want to do you want to tap it in, Lisa? You tap it in. Brilliant. What about the tadpole? So a nice game to play with using the tap hands, the net and the variety of balls.